Yo, 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 what's good, guys? Welcome to the Traders Reality Projections channel, episode 30. 30 episodes, man. That is nuts. If you are new to the channel, guys, feel free to subscribe to get updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. So let's have a conversation, guys. Let's drop down to the 1 hour time frame. What do we know? Okay, then, cool. Well, you can see Bitcoin has done some very interesting numbers for us. From last night's stream, we were all having a conversation about the importance of price actually coming back up. Let me just adjust this right here. Forgive me. Yeah, the fact that price came back up towards the daily open, all right, from yesterday's session. All right, as you can see, that price was coming all the way down. The general consensus was Bitcoin was going to be dropping even lower. All right. Now, the fact that Bitcoin came back up towards the daily open, didn't hit it, but it recovered more than 50% of the move to the downside. It's a very strong move. Okay, it's a valid move by the market makers. If you pay attention to the RSI to the downside right here, you can see the shark fin that came outside the volatility band, and then the shark fin within the volatility band and divergence. Things were slowing down as it came down lower. Big vector candle to the downside, New York reversal moves price out of the way. Now we currently got Bitcoin coming down to the lows, forms what we understand to be the first leg of the W formation. We are anticipating that the 50 EMA right now on the hourly is going to be resistance for price to come back down and form the second leg of the W. However, we did say last night that we may see a V-shape like movement. All right. And when I say V-shape, it's sort of like a shark fin itself, where price is going to snap down and come straight back up, because the market makers need to get their orders filled now. Look at the liquidity pools right here. So we recovered this area. Now we're working towards recovering this area right here. This is only if the 50 EMA does hold. The signal as such would be if the 13 EMA crosses over the 50 EMA, which would effectively come in when price does the rise, retrace, continuation to the upside. All right. We have the range daily high in sight and the average daily R in sight as well. So these are projection zones that Bitcoin will look to recover if price holds the 50 EMA. All right, jumping over to Ethereum, same story with Ethereum, but Ethereum is struggling a little bit at the 50 EMA. So we ideally want to see Ethereum step in and go above the psychological low right there. As you can see, she needs to break above that. The confluence of this area, if Ethereum does break above this zone, will be a very strong move because of the confluence of the psychological low and the 50 EMA. But because price is holding in this zone right here, we are looking to be favoring higher prices, but we may see the retrace before that happens. All right, because this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting slightly a little bit of a retrace, but only if this V-like pattern, okay, doesn't come into play. All right, XRP, I'm really struggling with XRP, man. She ain't doing anything, but she's accumulating. Look, they are controlling the zone very well. You can see a W formation, which is a variation of an inverted head and shoulders. All right, stopping volume candle right there. If I zoom in to help you guys, stopping volume candle right there is very important. Okay, so slowly she's now trickling up towards the daily open. All right, so I hope that helps you guys. Bitcoin now looks like it wants to continue back up. I think it's just going to be a sharp move back up, guys. We had some good news coming out as well. We had the, where is it? On Cryptocraft. You can see we've had a little bit of news about El Salvador becomes the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. We've got this platform itself is good because it takes all of the resources across the web and puts it into one place. So get over to cryptocraft.com and just, use it as a point of interest. You see the yellow tags and the red tags. That means that information has an impact. Red tags have a high impact on price. So you can see how earlier yesterday there was a tag which said that they're trying to regulate cryptocurrency. Okay, now the fact that El Salvador becomes the first country to adopt it as legal tender is just pretty much going to push regulation of cryptocurrency. Okay, here we go. US financial regulator warns against strict cryptocurrency rules. The moment that happens, guys, Wall Street steps in. So they're going to give us a double-edged sword. Excuse me. They're going to give us the question. Would you like a lot of liquidity to come into cryptocurrency? Naturally, everyone's going to say yes. Well, here are the regulations. Does that challenge the idea of decentralization? Maybe, maybe not. It all depends on what they regulate. All right? What are they going to regulate? Are they going to try and regulate it to the point where we can maintain the idea of decentralization, or are they completely going to throw off the idea of decentralization and just centralize it all by simply regulating it? Now, they know that if they start adopting cryptocurrency, it's going to be a plethora of money coming in terms of Wall Street. All right. So I believe if they do favor cryptocurrency, the regulations will not be as severe as they're making them out to be. All right. So I hope that helps you guys. All right. Please stay tuned for the next crypto episode, which will be tomorrow. All right. But what I advise you guys do is to go through the previous projection videos. It's going to help you understand how patterns play out, and so that you can then take the information from the stream and apply accordingly. This is what this channel is about. It's just quick flip videos just to help you apply the knowledge in real time. All right. So mad love and respect to all of you guys. Thank you to anyone that's come through to subscribe, and thank you to anybody new. Even if you're just watching, no qualms, guys. It's all love. All right. Take care, everybody. Peace.